In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the basics of decision-making in JavaScript programming. We'll focus on understanding the powerful yet simple if statement. So, what is an if statement? This is a fundamental aspect of any programming language. It allows your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. The syntax of a basic if statement in JavaScript looks like this: if condition, code to execute if condition is true. Let's see it in action. In this simple example, we've set a variable temp to be 30. The if statement checks if the temp is greater than 25. If the condition is true, which in this case it is, it will execute the code inside the curly braces. Here, it will print out the message "it's hot outside." As you see, since the condition was true, the message was printed out. Now, let's see another example where the condition is not met. In this code, the if statement is checking if the score variable is greater than 70. However, the score is 50, so the condition is false. Therefore, the message "you passed the exam" will not be printed. As expected, no output was generated because the condition was false. The code within the if statement was not executed. So, you see, if statements help us in controlling the flow of our program based on conditions. You can use them to perform different actions for different decisions in your code, making your code more dynamic and intelligent. This was a basic introduction to if statements in JavaScript. Keep practicing with different conditions and operations to get comfortable with if statements. In the next tutorial, we'll cover more complex decision making using else, if, and else statements. Until then, keep coding and have fun. Thank you for watching and happy coding.